I'm Dan Millen with Livernois Motorsport. Today we got a 2017 ZL1 Camaro here. We're trying to do some more GM content lately here. One of the main reasons is our programmer is now starting to support these things. So you'll see some more pushes on the GM from us. Anyway, this car right here, it's got some pretty cool things done to it. This is a customer of ours, been a long-time customer, Dennis. Used to be a Ford guy, now he's a Chevy guy. We ended up doing something a little bit crazier than we intended to. He wanted to make pretty much power over 800, close to 900. Now he's talking over 900. So we'll see where this goes. So we decided that the first thing we needed to do is get rid of the stock supercharger. I think everybody knows the ZL1, the Z06 superchargers are good to somewhere in the 700 range. After that, you really start taxing them. So we chose to go with the Magnuson 2650, excellent supercharger. When doing that, we said, hey, me and Dennis were talking, he really wanted the thing to sound radical and sound really good and also drive good. So we've come up with a new camshaft for the LT4 combos. It's gonna be our stage 3. It's 680 plus lift and it's some pretty high duration. I know a lot of the supercharged camshafts out there, I see that the other manufacturers sell are in the 119, 120 lobe step. This one's on a 116. It's still good for supercharged and still gives you the sound you want. So that's kind of what we went with on our stage 3. Like I said, it drives really good. Cylinder head wise, it's got our full CNC stage 3 cylinder head port in this thing. It's an excellent program. It's an excellent head. Also has springs that are good to almost 700 lift. Anyway, we ended up dynoing this car. Stock, it was in the 520, 530 range. With the 2650 on it, a cold air kit, larger injectors, larger fuel pump. This thing put down 874 to the tire. This is on race gas and 790 foot-pounds. That's spectacular. We're probably gonna lean on it a little bit more later on in the year or going into next year. We wanna get something over 900, but we're kind of tapped right now in the fuel system and the injectors we picked. So we'll see what happens, but stay tuned in this video. We wanna show you a startup of this camshaft. It starts good, it drives good, and it sounds killer. So we're gonna do that, and then we're also gonna show you the dyno of this thing. Stay tuned, click the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.